We got some blue curls up in here. Hey babes, back again with another wig review, and this time I got a wig from Premium Lace Wigs. So in the box came with a comb, a cap, came with a makeup bag, it came with an elastic band, and it came with some clips and hairpins. So this is the wig. The wig is an 18-inch 100% Brazilian virgin hair, deep curly, natural color, 150 density, and this time the lace is actually 13 inches by 2.5. So it's very small parting space. I plan to wear this wig like with a swoop, like a comb over. So this is gonna be very ghetto. This is the most ghettoest way I've ever dyed this hair. It's gonna be a very ghetto routine, but right now I'm bleaching the wig. So I already bleached the wig the first part, and then I ran out of bleach, so I had to run to the hair store get some more bleach to bleach the hair. So I bleached the hair with 40 volume developer and the powder bleach. Yeah, and I mix it together and I bleach the hair. This hair takes bleach really well. Like, it bleached so nicely. Like, it became sort of beautiful, like honey color. And I was like, damn, like I was this close to actually leaving the wig as is, but I'm like, nah, I have to dye it this color anyways. So this is me covering the bleach and everything, and I put a plastic bag on top of it so that way it bakes. And look at that, like it is such a beautiful color. Like, I actually want a wig like this now, to be honest. So I'm actually gonna go in with a door. I'm using ocean blue and royal navy, and I'm going to be using baby blue. So I'm going to be, this is my first time actually like not like watercoloring a wig. I'm actually dyeing it by hand and like section by section. So I mixed the royal blue and the royal navy and the ocean blue together. And then in the front, I'm going to use a bit of the baby blue to do a little like a lighter color blue. I always wanted like blue curly hair, so that's what I'm doing right now. Like I said, this is really ghetto. This whole process of me dyeing this hair was all over the place. But yeah, so right now I'm just working on the frontal and everything. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. And then I started going in with the frontal with a toothbrush. You're going to see just now with a little toothbrush. There you go. So that way I get all the hair and I don't get anything on the lace. So yeah, but the hair was looking cute though. I was really surprised. Like, yo, your girl did that. Yeah, I'm getting more confident at this. And this is the wig on me. This is how it looks. It actually looks so pretty. And the curl pattern is still just as nice. So I'm really happy how the curl pattern turned out. And right now I'm just cutting around my ears, so I get that little sideburns and everything. Snip, snip, snip. And I also tinted the lace. The lace is darker than my skin. I realized that. But it don't matter. It's fine. Like, when you wash it out, it does get a little bit lighter. So, but I kind of went a little bit darker. So please don't come for me in the comments. I know it's too dark, okay? I know it's too dark. So right now, I'm just using Got2b glue. That's how I always put on my wigs. And then I'm just using a comb just to press everything down. Same routine that I do in all my videos if you guys watch it. I always use the Got2b glue spray because it's amazing. Then I'm going to tie it down and then leave it on for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to take it off and I'm going to start styling my baby hairs with the swooping. Okay, so now I'm just taking a brush. I'm just brushing my hair back. And I always do this method because I feel like it kind of like loosens up the parts that have like the gel on it. The spray kind of like softens it again and not make it so crunchy. And I'm just cleaning around with some alcohol, all that shiny residue. So right now I'm just taking out my baby hairs and I'm just cutting it a little bit. I do not have my proper razors, so I'm using this ghetto scissor that is broken, so don't come for me once again. And then I'm going in with some gel and I'm going to start swooping my baby hairs. Especially since I made the lace darker, I have to make sure that I gotta cover that part so it doesn't look too ridiculous. So the baby hairs is a must for this look. Oh my god, why was this whole entire routine so ghetto, man? Oh god. But yeah, I'm just swooping the baby hairs. And, you know, it's coming together. Like, it's coming together. You don't really notice that the lace is that dark. So, and then plus I'm going to put foundation on. So now I'm just going to wrap up my hair and let these baby hairs bake a little bit. And I'm about to do my makeup. So this is my full face. So I just want to show you guys how the wig looks like before I start doing a colorful makeup look. So this is how it looks like in its natural state. No product, nice and fluffy. I actually love wearing it big and curly. So now I'm going to show you guys this eyeshadow tutorial. This is so ghetto because one eye is already halfway done. So okay, first I started out with the yellow color from the Irie palette, which is from Irie Cosmetics. It is called Lioness. And then from the Island Gyal palette, I went in with Fluffy Diva, and then I went in with the Miss World and Slimmers colors. Yeah, Slimmers. And then right now I'm packing on the color Yaman from the Yachty Cosmetics palette, and it's called Chat Patois palette. Yes, my girl. Okay, so what I always do, I always pack on the color first before I start blending. So right now for all the colors, I just packed on the color first. I didn't do no blending in between colors. So right now I'm just building up this beautiful navy blue by packing on the color, and then I'm gonna start blending out the edges. And then I'm be taking the purple, the orange, and the yellow, and just going to be putting it on my lash line using a very small bullet brush. Okay, so now I'm going in with a very small fluffy brush. I can't remember the name of this brush. I don't know where it is, but it's a Morphe brush. So I'm going in between each color, and I'm just taking my time and blending the colors together with a really light tapping motion and with a little bit of a circular motion going on. But we're kind of just patting the colors together just to get a really nice blend of everything. And if I didn't mention this look is inspired by my fave MUA, one of my fave MUAs, LordChyna. Just want to say that. So right now I'm going in with Shein Cosmetics, and I'm going in with their Epic liners, and I mixed the two colors together. The colors that I mixed together is called Cool Mint and Zaffre. I mix the colors together, and that's what I use. So right now I'm spraying my eyelid with the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray, and I'm using that as a base to stick on this pigment, and I'm using White Diamond from J. LaRue, so I'm just using it to press it on. And next I'm going to go in with Fantasy Pigment, my favorite pigment of all time, from Peaches Makeup, and I am right now just using it as a highlight. Look at that, like that highlight is beautiful. It's my favorite highlight, and I'm going ham with it because I want to glow. I want to glow and I want to look like a mermaid. So, and then right now I'm going in with Coloring Rico Liquid Glitter from the Power Collection and putting that in my brows because I love glitter brows. You guys know that. So next I'm going in with Yachty Cosmetics. I'm using their Montego Bay lash. I love this lash. It is so beautiful. And it's fluffy and it's extra. So right now I'm lining my lips with Gumbo lipstick, liquid lipstick from Crayon Case. I love using that as a lip liner. And then I'm going in with Nunt-egg liquid lipstick from Yachty Cosmetics in the center to give that really nice like ombre look. And then I'm going in with this, I can't remember what this is from, but I got it from Try Beauty Box, and it's a beautiful gloss that gives you like a plumping effect. So this is me. This is me right now. This is how it looks. This is how it looks with the hair in its natural state. So no products. This is just how it looks like. I didn't wet it yet or anything. This is just straight fluffy. So now I'm going to start spraying it and adding some water to it and whatnot, just so I can define the curls a little bit more and just tame it a little bit. And then I'm using my detangling brush just to really define the curls. So yeah, I feel I'm talking so much, but you know, you gotta talk, you know? But yeah. But like I said, this hair, like the quality of this hair after bleaching it and everything, like it is still so nice. Like it is really beautiful. And I actually really do like this wig. And even though I don't have a lot of parting space with this wig, because it's curly, I like to wear it as a flip over method. So it does work out. I did do a little teensy tiny part, right there. But I really do like this wig a lot. I love the way it took the color, how it dyed, everything, the curl pattern, how soft it is. It fit my head really well. Do I wish I had more parting space? Of course, but I just think this is a really like fun look, and it turned out exactly how I envisioned it. I always wanted a blue curly wig, and I decided that I wanted to do a really bold look with this wig, so that's why we did this LordChyna inspired makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think about this blue wig. I know this tutorial was all over the place, but I really appreciate you guys rocking to me till the end. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.